Right guys, so we're just in Unported Road TCR with my mate, and yeah, we're gonna go down to Wonderland. Last time I brought my Nikon, some guys said I couldn't film it in there since they don't allow cameras apparently. I just brought my little DJI Action 5. It's a smaller camera, it's an action camera, so it wouldn't get that much attention. So hopefully filming should be fine there. DJI drone, bring the drone here and then fix it. See, it's quite busy. They have the lights here. I should have brought my. I wanted to bring my camera, but obviously they don't allow it. Went to Wonderland.
The view for us?
Just walk straight down.
Fine?
Yeah. Are you gonna go on any of the rides there? Poland Street. Good thing about this camera, like it's very portable compared to the mirrorless camera, my APC mirrorless camera. Compared to our 4K mirrorless camera, like it's a bit more bulky, but it's still portable. But this is very portable. Like, fits in your pocket. Take it out of my pocket, just film. One thing about this place, good lights here. Actually insane. Decorated that pretty well. Look at that. Insane. Look at that. Looks sick. Oh, let's see what this guy's about. Yeah. Yeah, first time.
Go again.
Have a go at this one. It's like now water here as well. Crazy, bro. Alright, so we've got the cashews. Nice. Yeah, sick. Look at that. Mad.
And we gon' make you lose your mind.
Massive for you.
Massive, yeah.
You're racing, take a seat if you are racing.
I got my wrap, he's got his chips. The amount of songs here that I'm playing, I might have to mute a lot of it because of copyright, innit? My channel. Hey, don't laugh.
What go there?
This is the little game that he played last year and he won lots of time. Do you want to do it again? They use the same audio again and again.
All day long on this one. Anyone can play, anyone can win. We've got iPhones, iPads, Beats Pills, win a Nintendo or a brand new Xbox for Christmas. One ring over the block is all you need.
The bars that you see. huge wheel, isn't it?
The huge view. Now you can say I have done the ride. You can't
City
say.
stop. Nice vibe. Wow, what's in here? Alright, this is the exit. We're pretty much done.
So come on. Grab one to the
Got a big light. Got a generator right there. Right, we're at the station now. Right, so I'm just going to end the video right here. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.